welcome to the second video. Yeah, if you run into this video for the first time, then I suggest you to watch the previous video, end-to-end introduction. Yeah, because I'm going to describe the detail of AutoLab website. So directly jump into detail about the AutoLab. Yeah, AutoLab, as its name suggests, is an automatic lab that will be no man watching. Yeah, so it is run by script. It just writes script as long as like 10 hours or even more, and then we'll schedule a time for it to run, and then it can run on the test site, and then everything will be shown in the public domain of this web page. Okay, so this is the main page for live demo, and then there's another page for history replay. If you click on this will be history replay. Okay, and if you click on any device, you will see the log also change. Yeah, if you click on AP, you'll see information of AP1. So there are a few sections on the right hand side. Okay, so you will see the top table is the device list. Device list, you will see a demo room means this test site. This test site. This demo room is also the NMS name. So the test site name and the NMS name are the same. Why? Because there's only one NMS in each test site. So there's no need to create two different names. Yeah. So this NMS is called demo room, and this test site is also called demo room. And then we'll get back to the detail of demo room of NMS later. Let's see the AP first. So the top table is the device list. You can see which device is active, which device is offline, and then if you want to see the detail, you'll get down here, and then the detail will have several sections. The first part is the status summary, and then there's a report summary, and then the status summary basically try to feed data of the current status to be shown on this live demo page. Intend to show people how is the experiment going on. Is it like still going on well, or it has crashed? Yeah. So this is basically the status. It will tell you the state, the display status, the location. Yeah, and the location is 9.83. So this is the place. And there are 4 antennas. It's MAC address, it's IP address, and those kind of things. And then these are the detail. The detail, this BSS ID will help you see if a robot is associated with this AP on the 6 giga band, and then the robot will see this MAC address. So this will help you check the association between AP and the robot. Okay, and so this is the status summary for you to see the current status. And then next one is for the traffic summary. Traffic summary means more detailed data that will be collected, supposed to be collected permanently in the future. And then this is a summary, because the detail is much more detailed. So you want to see the detail, that we also provide a detail. The detail is a lot more. And then if you click on a robot, okay, let's see, click on the Charlie. So this will be in a similar pattern. On the top, it will show the status report, a status summary. Summary means I only show the the most important item, not everything. Okay, so this is data summary for you to make sure this device is running exactly as you expected. So Wi-Fi is connected, and this is its interface. And then it is not scanning right now. And then the data below is basically the same thing as AP, but for different purpose. Yeah, that's basically for the permanent data. And permanent data for the robot right now, basically they try to scan the channel. So these are the summary. So in the environment downstairs at the WNC demo room, you can see 48 SSID, and then these are the top 10, those with highest power. Okay, and then if you want to see all the 48, you can click here, and you'll see the 48. It will be a long list. Okay, you can see the robot is moving around, right? So because this is live play, it actually walks from one place to the other place. And then let's come back to the demo room. Demo room is basically the name of the NMS. So there's only one section going on. It's okay. And then these are the summary. And then if you want to show the detail, there's a lot of detail here. And then go to the history mode. History mode is basically the same as what I described in the introduction video last time. Yeah, I just download a period of history as long as 1 hour. And then this 1 hour must happen in the past 24. Right hand side, there are several sections. The first part is the event log. It will show within this period of time. For example, here is 1 hour. Within this 1 hour, what is happening? And yeah, so I basically just extract the event. And then if you play, the event will moving down like as time passes by. Okay, and you can also click like each step is 10 seconds. Yeah, because the status report happen every 10 seconds. And so you can, if you don't play, you can just step forward. You can still all the summary data will be the data at that time. So this is real history data. Okay, so if you click on alpha, you will go to the history data at that moment, at this specific time. The data shown. History mode is a little bit different. Yeah, start with the log, because log is the most important thing. You want to see the history, how it play out. Yeah, and then what follow are the summary only. It's not like a lab data. Yeah, there are a lot of information here, but basically they copy from the live demo. Yeah, but just the data collected at different time moments. Yeah. Okay, so if you want to go back to the live, just click here, back to live, and then you'll come back to live. Okay, and then that's one thing I haven't shown is the video. Okay, so yeah, you see all this data, right? And then you are not sure if this is real or I just create some fake data to cheat. Yeah, and if you want to see it's real, then you can see it. You can see what is really going on through video from the camera of any robot. So for example, I click on alpha, and then if I click on this open video, I'll show the big one. Yeah, I show the entire screen. Yeah, you'll see the video here, right? Sometimes it just doesn't go very quite smoothly. Okay, so this is from the view of the Charlie himself. Yeah. So Charlie, you'll see this video. I will see this view.
I have a question
Yep.
about history replay.
Okay.
I mean, during the replay, if I notice a throughput drop at a specific moment, I think I can correlate that with what the robot and AP were reporting at exactly the same time, because I want to figure out whether it was a coverage issue, QoS issue, or something else. So do you have a similar experience?
Yes. Yeah. The history replay serve a very important purpose. Yeah. Basically, we'll create script that will make the entire network run into problem, and so we'll write algorithm to solve it. So if a script that make everything going on smoothly, that's not very useful. The script usually creates some scenario that something wrong is going to happen at some specific moment. And so we will zoom in at that moment and then to see what's going on. Yeah, so this is exactly the purpose of script. Yeah, for example, like an AP is overloaded at like 1020. And then since this is a script, so we can repeat exactly the same scenario. And this is also the advantage of this tool. You can repeat the same experiment at exactly the same moment. And because every AP and every robot is under full control. So exactly at 1020, AP1 is overloaded, and then the traffic become very slow. And then based on the script provided to realize this scenario, we can always go to the same time instant to see the same problem happen. And then at that time, the history will provide you the data. Yeah, exactly as you said, as you expected. The history will provide you the data through several different ways. It can provide you the data on events. You will see a lot of robots start to move toward that specific AP, which is going to blow up because of overloading. Yeah, you will see the event. A robot is getting close to that AP and then getting associated with that AP and then start to create traffic section a lot more than that AP can handle. Yeah, so here I introduce the detail function, not detail up to every field. Yeah, but this enough for people to see what is going on. And together with the first video, I think people will have a rough understanding of this website, its purpose, and how people can use it. Okay, so for those who are interested, yeah, I will have a third video to show you how to write scripts. Yeah, so if you are interested, yeah, after you watch that third video, you definitely will know how to send a script over to run in this website. Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much.